This is a skill you'll need for your exams, and it's easier than it looks. A key rule is to convert to a smaller unit, multiply, and to convert to a larger unit, divide. Think of it like money. Imagine you have £10 in the form of a £10 note. If you break it down into £1 coins, you now have 10 coins. So, if you're going from notes to coins, you're multiplying. Multiply if going to a smaller unit, miss. If you're going from coins to notes, you're dividing. Divide if going to a larger unit, dill. Now apply that to the microscopic units. 1 millimetre is equal to 1000 micrometres. 1 micrometre is equal to 1000 nanometres, and 1 nanometre is equal to 1000 picometres. We can use a visual representation to simplify and guide our unit conversions. So if you're converting from millimetres to micrometres, you multiply by 1000, just like turning one £10 note into 10 £1 coins, miss. If you're converting from micrometres to millimetres, you divide by 1000, just like exchanging coins back into a note, dill. If you want to convert between other units, simply replace the units. Place the larger unit on the left and the smaller unit on the right. This can be done for any unit conversion.